Let's see, make sure we're recording. All right. So what's going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and this is my blog, thexking.com. And I've been doing a documentary, not documentary, but a monthly update of my blog for the past every month. Every month I go and look at the stats on my site. I use the Jetpack sites because it is a real accurate detail of the visitors of my blog. And as you can see, with the end of May, and here's April, here's May. So the views have really gone down this year. I mean, look at this here. December, 1,200 people came to my site. So I was thinking, well, next month would be 2,000 or 1,500. But every month since then, it's been going down, down, down. And again, I still post content to the site. Okay, I post content every other day. So I do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I skip a day. So if I do a blog post per day, I skip a day, then put a new post. So this is very discouraging because I've been blogging hardcore since November. And these months here are just YouTube videos. So I don't even count these. I posted YouTube videos to my blog, didn't put much effort into it. And this is where it came from. So in November of 2018 is where I really started writing content. I did a blog post today the whole month of November and the whole month of December. And from January on, I did a blog post every other day. So here's the thing. Here's what I'm thinking was going on. I'm thinking that these videos here, I got 10 views here. These videos I posted early last year started to pick up in September. Okay, and then they start to die off. Okay, they start to die off some. The post I did in November and December has not been ranked yet. Okay, that's what I'm thinking is happening. I think YouTube video has a short lifespan on your blog. Man, it depends on what it is. I did jailbreaking. I was doing, this site was my everything. I flipped it to a internet marketing blog, but in these months here, I did how to install a certain build on Kodi, how to jailbreak a Fire Stick, how to watch TV for free type of videos. So those videos gave me a little bit of traffic, but over time, other YouTubers were making videos of the same thing and writing blog posts about it. So those type videos were going extinct very fast. So once Google ranked them, yeah, I got some traffic. So, but now they're dying off because they're old videos. So my thing is, I think the post I did in November and December hasn't ranked yet. I read a lot of articles online. Income School, John Chow, all these top bloggers say the same thing. John Chow didn't make no money for his first 8 months. So, okay, Income School says one blog post, it takes 35 weeks for a new site and a new blog post to rank on Google. 35 weeks, the average. Take it with a grain of salt. 8 months, 35 weeks equals 8 months. So the post I did in November hasn't started ranking yet. So I'm gonna get all those blog posts ranked coming up soon. Okay, even with December, it'll start ranking pretty soon. Okay, so this does discourage me a little bit, but I'm gonna keep on working. I'll put my head down and keep working at it because I know it works. Okay, I know blogging works. Blogging will work if I put the time into it and work on it every day. Now, I'm gonna show you my editorial calendar. I'm gonna show you the blog posts I've written every day for December. And I'm gonna show you what I've been posting because people don't even show what they're posting. Right now, I got enough content. Let's go to show today. And today is May 26th. So this is my blog post for the month of May and June. And you see I have a blog post going out live every other day. This is why you do a blog post every other day. or timestamps. Let's go back in the past. And let's go to, let's see, November. So go to the 1st of November. Now these blog posts have been posted October, as you can see at the Quest Bar reviews. I did YouTube. I post my YouTube videos on my blog, and that's it. I didn't do anything but that. So some of these got a little bit of rankings, some didn't. There's no written content. Terrarium TV is gone, but it's good news. Excuse me. It's in October and November 1st. So you see, pretty much November 1st is when I started doing content. What is ClickFunnels? What do ClickFunnels hack? Social pilot review. Why the email list? So November has a blog post going out live every day. Some days I have two. Now, still doing a little bit of Cody builds in between, and here and there, to get a little more traffic to that YouTube video. But I also put a blog post as well on that same day. So some days have 2 blog posts. Some days have 2. So this month, there's 30 days and 31 days and 30 days in November, and I did 2, 4, 6. So I did about 36 articles that month. In December, the same concept. I did 3 in one day. Here's some more Cody stuff, but I made sure I did a blog post with it for that day. This day I have 3 articles going out to my blog. So that's the whole month of December. And January, I did a blog post every day. So let's look at January. These already posted. Okay, so yeah. So January, half the month, I did a blog post per day to the 19th to the 21st. So pretty much the full month. And after that, I did a blog post every other day, and it's been doing that since. Okay, so here's March. Like March, I did a blog post today as well in March. But some of these are Cody, because what happened was I timestamped the Cody videos back in October. I timestamped them to go out live. So these were not planned. I just kept them there. But so some of these are Cody builds. I don't consider that a blog post because they're not related to my topic. So some days I have 2 blog posts, some I don't. So all around, I've probably written, of November blog posts a day, and some 2. I wrote 35 blog posts in November, about 30 in December, and blog posts every day since then. I've probably written over 90 articles, probably to 100. Okay, within this year. So that's probably one reason why I had not gotten ranked. But let's go back here really quickly. Got 4 views today so far. Let's see the months. So as you can see here, that month did a blog post today here and here. They're not going to rank in 3 to 4 months. Okay, it'll be 35 weeks. Okay, so I'm banking on that. I'm banking on that. I'm banking on the work I did in November is going to pay off this year. Okay, so that's my review of my blog update out of 7 months of blogging. Now I blogged 7 months from November to May. I did a blog post. Every day or every other day. Now, I want to increase my blog's content because the more content on your blog, the more money you make. Also, I post my blogging reviews and how to make online video on my blog, but I also put a good thumbnail on it, and I write at least 600 words to a two, 3 paragraphs, then a YouTube video on a blog. Okay, so that's what I've been doing. Okay, so that's it for the video. That's my goal, and again, I have not made money from the site, but the xking.com will be my primary reason I quit my job. This blog's goal is to replace my job's income, but it takes hard work and dedication to do that. So with that being said, I'm gonna keep working hard, and some of the articles that's in December, November, I paid for as well. So that, that money that I spent on articles hasn't paid off yet. It just takes time to get ranked. Okay, so I'm willing to wait. If this blog could replace my job's income and I could quit my job, I had way more time to do content. Okay, I had way more time to do content. I could start a secondary blog, which my goal is to start a secondary blog to have 2 major blogs. So if that's the goal for the site, and I'm not going to quit because I don't see results. Blogging is a long-term thing, but the thing about blogging is, and now take upon this as well, these are views, these are people coming to the site. Now if I had a autoresponder or email capture system on this, 1,000 visitors, I'm gonna capture a few of those. In December, 1,239, I could have captured some of those and built an email list as well. So even though I captured a few people on my email list. So even though I'm not getting traffic, getting 600 views to a blog a month for free, because I didn't pay for the traffic, that's great. I can capture the email address and promote to them that way. So look at it as another positive way, because my traffic gone down some, but how much will it cost you, cost per click, to get 688 visitors to your site? How much more would that cost? How much will it cost to get 1,000 views? It costs a lot of money. Paying 25, 30 cents a click, $1, you're getting maybe 4 views for $1. You know what I'm saying? So this is free money. So that's it for my review of my 7-month blog update. I have a blog post about this as well. And my goal is to keep on writing content and keep on pushing forward. My name is Ty with xking.com. Thanks for watching.